In a quaint little town, amidst cobblestone streets and charming old houses, lived a father and son duo, Thomas and young Sam. Thomas was a well-meaning, absent-minded man with an eye for good intentions but a knack for mishaps. Sam, his 10-year-old son, shared his father's absent-mindedness but had a heart as big as a house. Their constant companion was a mischievous ginger cat named Whiskers. One sunny afternoon, Thomas decided to show Sam how to fix a leaky faucet in the kitchen. Armed with a wrench and a self-assured demeanor, Thomas started the work. Sam watched attentively, holding a flashlight as instructed. Whiskers, sensing an opportunity for fun, stealthily slipped into the kitchen and perched himself atop the refrigerator, his green eyes gleaming with mischief. Thomas loosened the faucet, and water started to trickle out. But as his grip slipped, a gush of water sprayed all over, drenching them both. Sam burst into laughter while Thomas fumbled with the wrench, trying to regain control. Whiskers seized the moment to pounce onto the counter, batting the wrench out of Thomas's hand with a swift paw. The wrench clattered to the floor, and Thomas's frustration was masked by Sam's infectious giggles. Deciding they'd had enough of plumbing for the day, Thomas and Sam turned their attention to assembling a new bookcase. The instructions seemed straightforward enough, or so they thought. Thomas sorted through the parts while Sam attempted to decipher the instructional booklet filled with tiny, indecipherable diagrams.